So I figured I better check, and I'm like, oh, interesting. The necks are different. I guess I didn't notice this before because I never removed the V7 batteries. I figured, oh, I'll remove and I'll start disassembling the case, and with the idea that I'll go ahead and attach these to the positive minus of the, this is a V6 battery, but of the battery management system. And then, being that these ends for the balancing won't sense a zero, anything more than a zero difference, assuming there has to be a positive value. That's what I'm kind of wondering now. If there's something I have to trick here, so it's like I need to disconnect all these and then see what happens, or at least of this known working one. Then that would tell me. Yeah, I think that's right. But, so let's not go there. Let's just kind of update just to verify this neck is actually a V6 neck for this adapter. Now, it's interesting as you look at the instructions. It does show the neck is different. It's just for some reason they kept those screws for the base. And this is functional. So it is working, but safety-wise, you know, just that one mount screw, I mean, it does flex a little bit. So it flexes even more with the 5 amp hour battery, and I'm sure it will with the 6 amp hour. I forget if they make a larger one. But, you know, otherwise, this is suitable. It does work. However, to make it equivalent, it's Dyson designed. You want to have that middle screw connection mount with these 2 side ones. So a little adapter in the middle is what's required. Now you can do 3D scanning, photogrammetry, 3D print, send off somebody else 3D print it, get it mailed to you. But my thinking is going to be visqueen, so basically saran wrap the battery, saran wrap the handle, and then just mix up some epoxy putty. I know it sucks, it's another $5, but I figure if I go somewhere else and 3D print it at my time, $5. So somewhere I'm gonna pick up some epoxy putty. I don't know if I want to have it. I guess it wouldn't hurt if I epoxy puttied it, let it bounce, scuffed up the adapter, and just use the visqueen on the handle part. Maybe I'll just do that, and then I can just drill a hole in the epoxy. And basically what I'll do is I'll put visqueen around the canister, saran wrap around the canister, saran wrap around the handle, and then I'm thinking I'll just putty it. Yeah, I think I'll just putty, let it secure to, yeah, this adapter, and then it'd just be like a perfect fit basically. So, like I said, wanted to, I could drill holes, but I could probably try to make little threads of epoxy to go through the base so that binds good. And, I don't know, I'm kind of back and forth. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should just drill holes in the epoxy once it sets and then put 2 screws in. I'll think about that. That's probably the correct way to do it. So, but anyways, I want to note that. So I actually now I assess, works great, safety-wise though. My guess is you might break the handle or something with too much of a load moving around. I mean, it's not the tightest fit. It really needs, if they designed to have 2 mounting points, or even the newer models, there must be something stressing out. I don't know, maybe it's plastic. You can see even the battery packs themselves stress out. But, yeah, I wonder, they probably put those extra screws in there to not save money. They probably needed to do that for some reason. Probably so this cheap stuff doesn't break. I'm guessing, I don't know for certain, but I'm going to definitely, as a solution that's quickest and easiest, is some maybe plastic JB Weld putty or some epoxy putty, cost effective you can find around, and just, you know, tape. I mean, you can probably even do that if you wanted to. Probably tape. I'm thinking saran wrap. I'll test the putty first, make sure saran wrap doesn't dissolve, but saran wrap all this. Press that in and be good to go. I mean, I probably even could probably can even punch holes in. Yeah, I might do that. I might just push with a needle holes in So the holes are there, and I can put screws in just to be safe that the plastic weld putty doesn't bond real well. And then I'll have an adapter that'll be just a like for like perfect fit. Okay, I just want to share that. Take care, be safe, and until next time, learn something new.